All right, it is February 24th, 2025. This is the first asphalt shingle of the year job we're doing here. I want to talk real quick about ventilation, why all this decking is in bad shape. It's completely rotten out, it's wet, there's so much moisture. I think I did a video a few weeks back showing the underneath side of that, the condition of it. And a couple of the things I want to point out, contributing factors of moisture. If you're ever getting a roof done, and you see a bathroom ceiling fan vent like that just dumping into your attic, it's not good. Just running up near a box vent, a ridge vent, an edge of a soffit, not good. You need to address those because the amount of moisture they crank out of the house, especially a hot steamy shower bathroom, dumping into the attic is not good. The other thing is ventilation, your inlet and outlet. When you have insulation packed up against your decking like this, that is not good at all. Even if you've got your continuous soffit vent, little register vents like this where the air can come in, when you look at that, it's not coming in anywhere. Not coming through at all. Well, if you have insulation being blown in, I see this a lot where other contractors come in, blow insulation. You're never gonna see this anywhere. What they do is they stand in the area they can fit and just blow that stuff and pack this area, eliminating the airflow. It's not good. You really need to make sure if you're having insulation done, you're not doing it yourself, you vet and make sure, get it in writing, make sure that they're doing the right job. Make sure they're putting baffles in here. I'll show you that on the other side. It's basically those pieces of foam floating around right there. They're not in yet. They need to go down right there. You see them? It pushes the insulation down just a little bit. It gives a channel for air to flow up under the roof deck. You can see that one right back there, what I'm talking about. So we've got to install those in each rafter here. Push this down a little bit, keep it from filling in. Now, when you're actually installing them on 24-inch center, those pieces, those baffles come 2 by 2, so it'll cover 24-inch piece. So if this is 24 inches, it'll drop in here, set on the roof or the rafter on each side. You can tack it, won't go anywhere. They're also made so they can kind of curve down and encapsulate this at the top seal plate. So when you blow your insulation, you can seal everything really good to that top seal plate, but not block and restrict the airflow going over or overblowing into your soffit, register, vent covers, things like that. So ventilation is extremely important. You need to have air come in for the air to go out, whether it's a ridge vent, box vent, power fan, gable vent, I don't care. For it to go out, you need air to come in. It's extremely important. Otherwise, you're gonna have a very expensive decking bill when you're trying to get a new roof put on. Whoever did the roof before this should have seen the condition of this stuff, known there's a moisture issue going on. See if I can step up here without falling. This wood is in bad shape. It's wet, it's rotten. The amount of moisture in this is ridiculous. It should not flex like that, even being plywood. It's terrible. I bet if you squish this, you can see water come out of it. We haven't had rain at all. Snow melt, but nothing on the roof. Anyway, it's bad. You shouldn't be able to do this with your bare fingers. Not good. So all new decking across the entire house, everywhere, baffles everywhere. I got to go pick up the bathroom ceiling fan vents, RVK18 kits. There's other ones on the market I'm going to be showing and trying to install. But anyway, I got to get going on this one. We're almost fell through right there. Just getting started for the season. We're actually doing 2 jobs today. I'm going to try to go over the other one. We were planning on doing this and then moving to that, but weather's coming in Wednesday. They're saying it's supposed to be almost 60 degrees. Plenty adequate temperature with the sun on these dark shingle roofs to seal down. We're almost through winter, going into spring right now, so I'm not worried about that, but I didn't want to get caught with my pants down with a thunderstorm coming on Wednesday. Split crew, a few guys here working on this, a few guys over there. Try to wrap them up. Anyway, if you got any benefit out of it, you know what to do. Until next time, be safe. We'll see you on the next one.